on Unit 5. We have tackled our first chapter of fractions, and now we're diving into adding and subtracting fractions. So I'm on my next page of table of contents. You might be too. I'm going to write my page numbers over here now. So today we are working on decomposing fractions. And I'm on page 62. Okay, so we're on page 62, or I am at least. I'm going to write my objective, so write it with me. Today, I will decompose fractions. Okay, let's review. 1/4. The 1 is my, what do we call that number? Numerator. Good. And the numerator is what? How many pieces we have that we took. So it's our shaded part. Then on the bottom, we have what? What do we call this? Denominator. Good. Denominator is equal to the total number of what? The total number of parts that your whole is broken into. Good. So total number of parts / pieces. Okay, let's define decompose. When you see this word decompose, it means to break down or break apart. For fractions, we only decompose the numerator. So only the numerator. Okay, but let's look really quick. Let's review with just whole numbers, not fractions. So let's say we have the number 9, and the question says decompose 9. There's a few different ways you can decompose 9. I could do 3 plus 6. That equals 9. I could do 5 plus 4. That's a way to decompose 9. I could do 8 plus 1. That's a way to decompose it. I could do 3 plus 3 plus 3, right? I could do 1 plus 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 1, right? These are all ways to break down the number 9 and to get to number 9 in smaller parts. So let's look at an example with fractions. So I'm going to write example with fractions. Let's say we get a problem that says decompose 7/8 in 2 ways. I should automatically be thinking, how can I break apart 7? The 8s does not matter. I am decomposing the 7, right? My denominator stays the same. So I could think of 2 ways that I could add up to 7. So I could do 7/8 is equal to, let's do 5 plus 2, right? My denominator stays the same. I'm just breaking apart my numerator. So I could do 5 plus 2. And I'm going to do a model using a number line. So how many parts is mine broken up into? 8, right? So I have my 0 over here, I have my 1 over here, and now I need 8 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. Okay, so I have 1 8, 2 8s, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then my 8ths is over here, right? 8/8 is over here. Okay, so now I need to show it. So what I'm going to do, I need 2/8 plus what? 5/8. Okay, and that gives me 7/8. Okay, so I could do, so I have 2/8 plus 5/8 gives me 7/8. Now let's show another way. We could do 7/8 is equal to, what's another way to decompose 7? We could do 4 plus 3, that gives me 7. Draw my number line. It's still broken up into 8 parts. Oop, 0. Still do my same as lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I got 1/8, 2/8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then my 8/8 is over here. So I want to do 4. So I can do 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. And that gives me my 7/8. So see how it's the same. I'm still decomposing into 7/8, but my addition problem's a little different. Okay? All right, let's look at another one. Okay, let's do our 3/9 plus 5/9 and 6/9 plus 2/9 correct ways to decompose 8/9. Okay, let's see. So they gave us 2, and they want to see if that's correct. So let's draw a number line and see. I'm going to do my first one. So I got a 0 and I got a 1. Okay. I have 9 parts, so my 9th is going to be over here. So I need 9 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 1/9, 2/9, 3/9, 4/9, 5/9, 6/9, 7/9, 8/9, 9/9. Okay, let's look. So we have 3/9 plus 5/9. So how could I show that? Well, first I would do 3. So 1, 2, 3. That takes me to 3/9. Does adding 5/9 take me to 8/9? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It does. So that one's correct. Okay, so this one checks out. Okay, now I want you to draw for homework this one, 6/9 plus 2/9. And I want you to tell me if it adds up correctly to 8/9. Okay? All right, see you tomorrow.